Hello everyone. We are given a separately excited DC motor with an armature resistance Ra equals 0.05 ohms. The field excitation is kept constant. It is found that at an armature voltage of 100 volts, the motor produces a torque of 500 Newton meters at zero speed. Neglecting all mechanical losses, we are asked to find the no-load speed of the motor in radians per second for an armature voltage of 150 volts. To know more about the concepts used to solve this problem, kindly refer the NPTEL Electrical Machines course, Module 8, Lecture 3 by Professor G. Bhuvaneswari of IIT Delhi. The voltage equation of a separately excited DC motor is V equals EB plus IARA, where V is the applied voltage, EB is the back EMF developed, IA is the armature current drawn, and RA the armature resistance. The back EMF developed is proportional to the speed and flux per pole. EB equals K phi omega, where K is the proportionality constant. The electromagnetic torque developed in the rotor is proportional to the armature current and the flux per pole, that is TE equals K phi IA. Thus, neglecting the armature reaction, the speed torque relationship for the separately excited DC motor is given by omega equals V by K phi minus RTE divided by K phi square. In this question, we are given a separately excited DC motor with an armature resistance of 0.05 ohms and the field is constant. So it is found that at a terminal voltage of 100 volts, the motor produces a torque, I'll call T naught, equals 500 Newton meters at zero speed. So omega naught is 0 radians per second. And then we are asked to find the no load speed omega NL in radians per second at a terminal voltage of 150 volts. So we'll have to find out the relationship between the speed and torque of the separately excited motor. For that, let us write down the Kirchhoff voltage law for the machine. So the terminal voltage equals the back EMF plus the armature resistance drop IARA. Also, we know that the back EMF is equal to K phi omega, where omega is the speed of the machine, phi is the flux per pole, and K is the proportionality constant. So we can substitute for EB in this equation. So you get V minus IARA, I have taken the IARA to the other side, equals K phi omega. So now I'll divide by K phi throughout. So you get omega equals V by K phi minus IARA by K phi. Now we can substitute for IA. We know that the electromagnetic torque equals K phi IA. So we can substitute for IA in this equation. So you get omega equals V by K phi minus IA is E divided by K phi square times RA. So this is the speed torque relationship of a separately excited motor. So while deriving this expression, we have neglected the armature reaction. So now let us consider both the cases given. So the first thing to note here is that the flux is kept constant. So we can write K phi equals some K bar, since both these quantities are constant. So omega equals V by K bar minus TE RA by K bar square. So now let us consider both the cases. So the first case is the terminal voltage is at 100 volts. The electromagnetic torque produced is 500 Newton meters at zero speed. So now you can substitute these values in this equation to get the value of K bar. So when you substitute this, omega equals 0, so which means 0 equals V is 100 divided by K bar minus T is 500 and armature resistance given is 0.05 divided by K bar square. So I'll multiply the entire expression throughout by K bar square. So we will get 100 K bar minus 500 times 0.05 equals 0. So when you solve this, you will get K bar equals 0.25. Now you can substitute this in the equation. So in the second case, we are asked to compute the no load speed. So which means the electromagnetic torque developed is 0 Newton meters at a voltage of 150 volts. So when you substitute all this in the equation, you'll find that this term will go to 0 since the electromagnetic torque is 0. So the only part remaining is omega equals V by K bar. So you can compute omega no load equals V by K bar, which is equal to 150 by 0.25, which is 600 radians per second. So the no load speed of the separately excited motor for an armature voltage of 150 volt is 600 radians per second. Thank you.